Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I can give you 3 reasons why you need this top in your summer wardrobe. First reason for me is it's just cute. I think it says summer, and I love the color and design, especially the fact that these straps are bra friendly, if that's important to you. And the length is perfect for me, slightly cropped. It sits right at my natural waist. Second reason I love it is that it's comfortable. So it is a knit sweater material, but thin, not a heavy knit. So really great for summertime and warm weather, or for layering if that's what you want. And the third reason I love it is because it's versatile. You can go casual, you can go dressy. I feel like I'm just gonna keep reaching for it, whatever I'm wearing, wherever I'm going. This top has been a perfect fit for me. It's exactly what I was hoping for. The colors are lovely, the fit is really nice, and the material is exceptional. It's easy to wear, it's comfortable, and it's versatile. And that is my point of view.